In a world where every journey begins with one question, where? We bring the answer. Every project begins with one thing: spatial intelligence. From the foundations of geospatial technologies to the spatial thinking behind modern infrastructure, this course takes you inside the spatial intelligence shaping construction today. We begin on the ground with surveying, mapping, and digital leveling, where precision first takes form. Accuracy advances with total stations and GNSS, transforming raw coordinates into meaningful direction. Then we look through the perspective of remote sensing, 3D scanning, and LiDAR, capturing reality from angles the eye could never reach. Beyond the surface, bathymetry, GPRS, and scan-to-model reveal hidden layers that guide critical decisions. We then explore the digital ecosystem with enterprise GIS, web maps, mobile platforms, and spatial dashboards powering real-time insights. And finally, into the future with digital twins and next-generation geospatial innovation. This isn't just a course, it's the geospatial universe, built for tomorrow's construction innovators,